Hey, if you are looking for new products to sell every day, today I recommend 5 TikTok winning products for you. Number 1. Luminous Dream Ball. This product has a soft texture and a variety of colors, which is decompressing and fun. The price of this product is 20. The cost price is only 7, and the profit margin is 13. If you are looking for direct sales of youth products, this would be a good choice. Number 2. Headphone Cleaning Tool. This new product on the market solves people's troubles about headphones. There has never been such a product on the market before, and it has a very large market space. This product is on sale for 18. It's only 3, and the rate is 15. If you are looking for electronics to sell dropshipping, this will be a good choice. Number 3. Heated Vest. The dress is light and warm to wear. Cool products are very popular with young men and women, and have a large market space. This product is on sale for 40, it's only 35, and the rate is 5. If you are looking for seasonal products, then this will be a good choice. Number 4. Straight Iron. This product can curly and straighten hair, has a broad crowd market. This type of product has always been popular with women, and the target group is some young people with spending power. The price of this product is 40, the cost price is only 9, and the profit margin is 31. If you are looking for products aimed at women, this will be a good choice. Number 5. Crystal Tree Lamp. This product looks good in appearance. It also has a unique anti-shock function, and does not consume electricity. This product is on sale for 46. It's only 15, and the rate is 31. If you're looking for a product to sell with a profit margin over 30, this is a great option. Follow me to share Shopify winning products every day.